Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Life's Edge. I'm Joe and this is Elliot.
Hello.
And today we're going to be exploring an abandoned crop farm. So we hope you enjoy it and we'll see you when we get there.
I think it is a wheat farm, but it's not. It is just a overgrown place. What the hell is this? Have you seen this?
Seeing what?
This is like a lawnmower.
It's like a generator of some sort, isn't it?
Next minute you just fall over head over arse. I mean arse over head, not head over arse.
That'd be very professional.
Good to do this, like a professional. That might be my fault. I'm sorry. This looks like a bit different, doesn't it?
Ah, so this is like the pit. I think I might fight my way through these nettles and try and
Not get
have
stuck.
a look. Shall we climb through the window or what's through there?
Just plants. Trying to get a shot. Okay. Trying to get calm and humble. I wonder what this place used to be, do you think?
A crop farm. Let's oh I know. There's a tire,
I'm
let's try
pretty
and,
sure.
we need to like somehow climb through the nettles.
Oh, I'm not climbing through that hell now. We can just go, you know what we can just do? Like last time. We can just literally go back and walk now. I think there's a way around this way, so if you go around back. Oh, my legs just got back.
Ah, prickled. So this is just what's left of it. We're actually sat in it, mate, right now. Like the wheels are there. My knee is killing because I think I just got something in it. But
Never mind, my fingers killing.
moving on, I can see a car. I tell you
Thank
what.
God I came in jeans.
At
I
least
can't feel anything.
At least when we come to the night visit, all this will be gone.
This is gonna be difficult, isn't it?
So I'll have a little path. Let's climb through here.
Yeah, but the question is, will we be able to find a path?
We've got torches. They're quite good torches. I have faith.
All right, I've got some bird poo on my shoe.
Mate,
I'm wiping this.
let's keep going.
Wait on.
Let's
Kind of
move
glad that
on.
wasn't a stinging nettle. Stinging net.
Go easy on your torch because we'll need that later.
Yep.
You can see it's like a bit of a garage that's collapsed in, and you can see all like the tractors and stuff and cars underneath still.
Kind of cool.
These cars
Fancy
must be
going
so old. Fancy going in, I'll get stuck there.
Yep. I'm not flexible. I'm probably one of the most unflexible people.
Now might be torch time.
Bloody brilliant.
You're sinking. You actually go like that deep when
Really?
you put your full weight on.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
like,
not
bottom of your
quicksand
shoes-
now.
Bottom of your shoes disappear. Okay, this does not feel sturdy at all.
Whoa! No, I know why now, because look, there's a bloody crack in it. Okay, so that definitely is quicksand, that, isn't it? Look at this, that's definitely quicksand.
Do you want to try it?
No.
No. Come on. There's a car in here.
Oh, Lamborghini?
Nah, it's your first car.
Ooh.
It's pretty.
Oh my god, a bat just flew. I'm not even lying.
A bat?
A bat.
Yo, look at the size of that bee.
A bee.
Look at the size of it, it's huge.
What bee?
It's there.
Oh, flying.
Yes.
Oh, there. Oh my god, I can't go over there.
I
hate these.
thought there was a dead body in it then, you know, the sea, it looks so... Damn.
I think of a bat.
Or a pigeon.
Oh, I can't go over there.
I'm going to
I
turn the
hate
torch
these.
off. Come with me.
Can I
We need
jump
to check
over
out-
the wall?
I guess so.
Yeah, because there's all nettles there. Make a bit,
Alright.
a bit more sense.
I just want to take a close look at this car.
Oh, that's quick.
Shh. I did too. I heard it sound like a group of people.
Yeah. Don't say that. I don't want to die here. I'm scared now. Well, as you can see, there's A thorn nettle inside the car.
Is this door still? Oh, the door still moves.
This one still moves.
Still.
I'm just shut the door, 1 second.
The hinges still work.
Okay, I don't know if vandalise even now.
Oh, it's even got a sun visor still. Cool. Well, moving on.
Moving on to the next. My first impression that was a safe.
Oh yeah, humongous safe. Well, it looks like all that way is collapsed, so we can't go through there.
What's touched my head? Oh,
It's just
that?
the key.
Oh, something touched my head.
Scared.
See, now if I didn't have my haircut earlier on, I would not have felt that.
I've got like a trailer out here.
You trailer?
Yep.
Alright, there's a lot of canisters here. I think they're flammable ones, aren't they? I heard talking.
They're right there. What? No. It's alright.
That's annoying.
I can't hear him now. I think we're going to time. Let's go around there.
No, I heard.
They sound pretty far away now, though.
You first.
Come on in.
It's a ladder.
I'll show you around.
These shelves.
This ladder does not feel sturdy at all.
Why are you going up there? I'm going to check here. What's in there? We're not going to. Oh my god, there's a bunch of wooden slabs.
Be careful on this ladder.
Alright.
Don't take it away.
Oh, you bloody.
This floor is so patchy. It's like people put like metal sheets down.
Okay, wait on. Can we like cut something out here? Why is there a bucket there? What are the odds of you lifting it up?
Let's have a look. Oh no.
No.
This
Try
feels-
and walk on these things here. These.
This feels so unsafe. I'm more concerned about these panels because you don't know what's underneath them. In fact, I'm guessing there's a massive hole underneath them and that's why they're there. But what if they fell?
Oh, I want to know what's under these.
I'm
getting
don't know
ready
what
to
do.
move.
Okay. There's nothing there.
What about that? This thing here.
Can I make any more noise?
What about this? I just heard someone.
I just want to look out this window. This is so unsafe.
I literally feel like a parkour this right now. I'm just walking along this.
This view is kind of cool though. You can see more cars from there. There's almost like barrels, almost like as a way to get out of here, but I won't risk like.
Why are they trying to get out of here? Unless someone kicked. What was that noise? Did you hear it?
It's an alarm, innit?
No, I heard that someone screaming. That's a good point. What about someone got chased up? Is that blood? No, it's not blood. Why is it
Just paint. It's creaking.
Okay.
These. No, there's a massive hole. I just done a massive hole
I'm not walking
through those boards. Underneath these boards are just holes, and these sheets seem so weak. Just look at how this hatch is all collapsing as well. I feel like I'm gonna
Is
die.
that a bone? I'm not even. Oh my god. I'm not even messing.
What?
Right. When you get on the ladder, stop and look there. What is that? Is that a bone?
Where?
Right there. Is that wooden thing?
That?
I don't know. I don't think it's bone.
Twigs and stuff and cobwebs.
Well, it looked like a bone.
And where there's cobwebs there's spiders, so.
Right. God, oh, you know what I'm doing this way. Why do I go over the wall? Because it's gone this way.
It's because of all the nettles. I thought it would be easier, but
Right.
I'll be honest with you, I just heard a bang then. It wasn't me.
Yeah. I thought it was you.
It was not me.
But I'm not walking back through there. I heard. Yo. What do you mean sing?
It's the only way out.
It sounded like metal, didn't it? Are you talking? Oh, I hate trying to get out of places. I'm so paranoid. What was that?
Train.
Oh, brilliant. Do you think that was the bang?
Hmm?
Do you think that was the bang over there?
Possibly. But I know it weren't me.
But 100% weren't me.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want us to do more, and we'll see you next time. Adios.